So, bioelectronic medicine represents the convergence of molecular medicine, neuroscience, and bioengineering. Its central idea is that injury and illness can be treated by carefully targeting the nervous system using devices. Rather than suppressing the patient's immune system with biologics and immunosuppressants, instead, by modulating the brain's inflammatory signals traveling through the nervous system to the spleen and other organs, bioelectronic medicine allows the body to achieve homeostasis when inflammation goes into overdrive. At the height of the COVID-19 pandemic, there was a lot of talk about cytokine storms. That's the same thing as the body's inflammatory reflex over-responding to disease and going off the rails. That's what bioelectronic medicine seeks to control and set right. So as Nuno mentioned, in a way, I'm living proof that it is possible to control inflammation and treat disease by modulating the nervous system. Let me tell you my personal story. I suffered from Crohn's disease and inflammatory arthritis for 15 years before I entered a clinical trial to test a bioelectronic medicine device 4 years ago. Over the course of those 15 years, though, I dealt with colitis flares that left me doubled over in pain, dehydrated, and malnourished, sometimes only able to be nourished by a PICC line in my arm. Inflammatory arthritis spread from my ankle to every joint in my body, and I ended up with 2 skin ulcers called pyodermas on my legs that each took 18 months to heal. I was prescribed 22 different biologics and immunosuppressants, all of which failed, leaving me battling active disease from the time I was 13 until I was 28. I was hospitalized half a dozen times and spent more than 100 days and nights in the emergency room. Sometimes I needed a cane when the arthritis was really bad. After long periods of immobility, when it was worse, I needed a walker to regain balance. But at my absolute worst, I needed a wheelchair.